When Steve and the guys at WML approached me, they already had a very successful engineering firm. They just really wanted to take it to the next level. So what they really needed was a system for generating more opportunities so they could grow their business confidently and accommodate more experienced, high-quality engineers.
Historically, we've had very good relationships, but with a very small number of clients. So our workload was dependent upon the activities that they had in mind. And our successes has really shown that people believed us to be good engineers. As managers and business people, perhaps we were lacking. The company was stable, but didn't really challenge us. Didn't challenge our clients. And we had an ambition to get better, more interesting work, to grow the business, and in that would give us an opportunity to recruit more people and better people, because one of our issues long term has been recruitment. The key to our success in recent times has been the tools that Simon has provided us to let go of the operational sense and focus on the managerial and look at the big picture of the company. Get our head out of the book that we're looking at and focusing on the work, lift our head above the parapet, look over the fence of the bigger world, enable us to then plan for the future, both in work, clients, and the direction of the company. And that's been achieved by a proper team establishment. So I've set up leaders in disciplines. So we've got a senior group leader, structural engineer, but I'm not involved in the day-to-day operational side of factory anymore. Historically, we would have a problem when we get to the conclusion of a large project. There wasn't necessarily a method of developing a pipeline of future work. In a competitive environment, as the marketplace has become now, we need to be much more active in our business development. We need to be looking for opportunities, pursuing opportunities at the earliest possible time. By separating the operational to the management side, that's allowed us to have a dedicated business development focus that's looking for that next project before that one's concluded. So now we're able to schedule much more efficiently for the future, plan our work, and smooth over those bumps that we've historically suffered. The culture of the company is now that everybody is a contributor to this business development. They're given extra responsibilities, rewards are commensurate with their activity. So it's now embedded within the culture of the company that this is an ongoing and continuous process. It doesn't happen when we run out of work. It happens continuously 100% of the time. As engineers, we're not comfortable public speaking, we're not comfortable talking, we're particularly not comfortable doing cold calls. The key to being able to make the staff and the directors feel comfortable is having a process and a system behind us that we can fall back upon when we get to that point where we're not feeling comfortable anymore. Having that structure behind us enables us to talk sensibly to a client, face to face, over a telephone, in front of doing a presentation. Having an effective business development plan and a work pipeline has enabled us to have the confidence to open our other offices, enlarge our staff base. We are engineers, so we are quite conservative in how we plan our business, and we prefer to see growth being organic and sustainable rather than trying to recruit and have to let people go. That's not the way that we do business. We grow as the business allows us to grow. Part of what we have learnt within our process with Simon is to plan ahead. We have to plan a succession plan for changes in staff, changes in directors. That means that we need to bring on staff that need to grow and learn and fill the spaces that are left by people who are retiring or moving on. Moving from the operational space to the management space now, I can step out of things. I can go and do other things, knowing that the business is going to be run and managed in my absence. That's important whether I'm working within the business doing business development or I'm taking extended holiday, or even retiring. I would recommend adopting the business pipeline as advocated by Simon and Formula One to everyone else except for our competitors. Other engineers are doing the same old crap they used to do years ago, but we've learnt, we've grown, and it's been good for us.
So if you're an engineering firm or a contractor and you want to get your business to the next level, click the button below and discover just how far your business can go.